Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 8th question in exercise 7.2. If A and B are -2, -2 and 2, -4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3/7 of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. So let's translate what is given to us into a diagram. So I'm drawing a line segment AB. So let's mark the coordinates of A and B. A is going to be -2, -2 and B is given as 2, -4. And you have a point P here. Now we need to find the coordinates of P. I'm marking which as x, y. Let's write the section formula once before we start to solve it. So this is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus my1 divided by m plus n. Now you know that AP is given to be 3/7 of AB. So when we write usually the ratios, we write it as AP is to PB, not as EAB. So in this case, if AP is 3 units and the total AB is 7 units, the PB is going to be 4 units. So now the ratio is not 3:7, however 3:4. So you can directly apply the formula now. X is equal to 3 into 2 plus 4 into -2 divided by 3 plus 4. So this is 6 minus 8/7, which is -2/7. Now let's do the same thing for the y coordinate. So y is equal to 3 into -4 plus 4 into -2 divided by 3 plus 4. So this is -12 minus 8/7, which is -20/7. So in this case, P coordinate is going to be -2/7, -20/7. In sums like this, please be very careful to pause and see what ratio is actually given here. AP is given as 3/7 of AB. So you need to be very careful of that before you fix the ratios here. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 9th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.